Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off Tap to Wake on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on all the iPhones. So, as you can see right now, I do not have Tap to Wake option on my iPhone. If I tap on the screen when it's locked, it is not going to wake up. So I need to use the button or just bring it up because I have the option Rise to Wake on, and now unlock the iPhone. So if I want to wake it by tapping the screen, if it's holding on the desk for example, you want to go to the settings, then swipe down a little bit, go to the accessibility, then go to the touch, and here you have option Tap to Wake. So click on this one, and from this time, if this feature is on, let's go back. If I'm going to tap the screen twice or even just once, as you can see, the iPhone is going to wake up and bring up the lock screen. And now I can lock it easily when it's sitting on the desk. This is, I think, useful feature to have it on. So again, how to get to the settings: open settings, then go to the accessibility, then go to the touch, and here you are going to find Tap to Wake. Now it's off and now it's on. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.